What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is to bundle the data and method that operate on the data in a single unit. In this class, let's have an example of a data that is not encapsulated, and later using the encapsulation we encapsulate the data. To show an example, let's create age calculator int birth year. Let's set the birth year to 1990 and have int age. And now let's create a method to calculate age. Public static int calculate age. Inside this class, let's have integer current year equal to 2023 and return current year. Let's have parameter integer year, current year minus year. Okay, and then let's create another method to print the age. Public static void print age, and then let's pass a parameter here int age, and then let SOUT tab to print the age. Your age is age. Let's concatenate this with plus. Okay, so now let's call this method inside our main method. Now let's set this age to our method calculate age, which return the age, the current year minus birth year. Let's pass the birth year here, and then let's print the age and pass this age here. We are passing this age to this method to have it print our age. Now let's run this program and see what we have so far. Now your age is 33, but the problem with this solution, our data is not encapsulated. All our data is outside. So to encapsulate this data, let's create a class. Age calculator. In this class, let's set our variables. Let's have this. We can use this in our age calculator class, and now let's just initialize these variables and then use our method Calculator, but we are removing this static since we can access it using our object. And then let's pick up this method also. Okay, and have it something like this: public void print h. Okay, since that we are changing the structure of the class, let's remove these classes. Okay, now our data is encapsulated, and let me close this class. Okay, now what we have here, we have integer bat here, integer h, and then public int calculate h, and we also have public void print h. This, we have our data encapsulated, and let's use this class here, and then h calculator equal to new h calculator. Let me remove this and use var, as simple as this. And then using the h calculator, we can access the variable bat here and set our bat here like 1990 as we did before, and then use h calculator dot h and pass the method calculate h. Here we have calculate h, and in this calculate h we are passing h calculator dot bat here. Let me remove this, sorry, dot bat here. Okay, let me, okay, now that we have this, what is remaining is the print method h calculator dot print h. What we are passing here is h calculator dot h. Let's print this and see what we have. We have the same data as before, which is h33. Let me try changing the value. Let me write 2000 and then print this method. We have 23. Okay, this is how we encapsulate our data encapsulation. But the way we access this data is not a proper way. We supposed to use getters and setters, which is our next lesson is on getters and setters. Now we have h calculator. Even if we can use this class, and so many times it is simpler to use this class like this, not the other way that we did it. We write inside this main method. This is encapsulation. Thank you very much.